Yep, speaking Spanish gives me gas. It fuels me in so many ways. Here's just a handful of reasons why learning Spanish has given me that extra fuel that I need to drive forward in daily life. Spanish gives me gas by enhancing my cognitive abilities. See, learning Spanish has been one of the greatest and most challenging mental exercises I've ever undertaken in my life. I've noticed that it has sharpened my mind, improved my memory, enhanced my problem-solving skills, and overall cognitive functions. Studies have even shown that bilingual individuals often perform better on tasks that require multitasking and attention to detail. And I can clearly see why now. The mental agility that I've gained from learning Spanish has led me to greater performance and a sharper mind in daily life. I'm a bad man. Spanish gives me gas by opening up doors to new cultures. In case you didn't know, Spanish is the official language in 21 countries, each with its own cultures, traditions, and history. So by learning Spanish, it has enabled me to gain direct access to the rich Hispanic cultures. From the passionate dances of salsa and bachata to the many vibrant celebrations and festivities. Understanding Spanish allows me to appreciate and participate in these cultural experiences on a deeper level. This cultural immersion has broadened my worldview and has deepened my understanding and appreciation of different ways of life. Spanish gives me gas by boosting my career opportunities. In today's globalized world, being bilingual is a highly sought after skill. Spanish, in particular, is incredibly valuable in various industries such as business, healthcare, education, and tourism. Companies are increasingly seeking employees who can communicate with Spanish-speaking clients and partners. And now I'm in the mix. Matter of fact, I just landed a marketing client who wanted some work done in Spanish. Now, in the past, I wouldn't have even gotten that opportunity. And if I did, I would have had to turn it down cold. But now, I'm like, bring it on. So by learning Spanish, I position myself as a more competitive candidate for basically everything. In the job market, career opportunities, freelancing, higher earnings, and more. It's a beautiful thing. Spanish gives me gas by enhancing my travel experiences. I've noticed that traveling to Spanish-speaking countries has become a richer experience now that I can speak the language. It enables me to navigate cities with greater ease and confidence. I can better engage with the locals. It also enables me to gain a deeper understanding of the places that I visit. So whether I'm exploring Colombia, Ecuador, Mexico, or Peru, mountains, beaches, or what have you, speaking Spanish has given me that fuel that I need to connect with people and places on a deeper level. Spanish gives me gas by strengthening my personal relationships. Language is a powerful tool for building and strengthening relationships, no doubt. By learning Spanish, I can now connect with Spanish-speaking people from all walks of life, all over the world. Meet new people, make new friends, expand my social network, everything. By learning Spanish, it shows respect and appreciation for their culture. And they respect that. It just leads to more meaningful and fulfilling interactions. Spanish gives me gas by boosting my confidence and self-esteem. I can definitely say that learning Spanish has been a significant and rewarding experience. The process of learning Spanish, from understanding basic words and phrases to seeing progress each and every day, is a journey of personal growth. Each milestone is a testament to personal dedication and perseverance. This sense of accomplishment spills over into all areas of my life, encouraging me to take on new challenges and pursue further self-improvement. Spanish gives me gas by providing me with a sense of accomplishment like no other. The journey of learning Spanish is not without its challenges. But overcoming those hurdles brings a profound sense of accomplishment. Each new word learned, each conversation held is a step forward in my language learning journey. This sense of progress and achievement is incredibly motivating, and I urge you to get on board and join the Spanish learning journey too. Because I tell you what, you don't want to miss out on this train because it's coming. It's already here, matter of fact. And if you don't at least know a second language in this day and age, then the hard, cold truth is that you're falling farther and farther behind in this interconnected world and rapidly losing your value and competitive edge as a human being. Don't say I didn't tell you. So learning Spanish is more than just acquiring a new skill. It is a transformative experience that can empower you in countless ways, from enhancing cognitive abilities and career opportunities to enriching travel experiences and personal relationships. The benefits of learning Spanish are far and wide. So whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who recognizes the benefits and advantages of learning a second language, then I urge you to consider embarking on a journey of learning Spanish, a powerful language that is spoken in 21 countries. So it's definitely not a waste of time. It's an investment in yourself, and it pays dividends for a lifetime. So cheers, hats off, and hopefully speaking Spanish will give you gas one day too. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just be good enough.